But the thing is, it's slipping. How kind of contraption this one? This no make proper, guys. I wouldn't recommend this. Like it. Me like it.
Arts Workfly.
Alright guys, so today I will be testing out some TEMU products, and I'm also going to do some painting on this, hopefully, depending on time. But I definitely want to paint these wings today, guys. Let me do something and come back. Alright guys, so today I will be painting this cover, but I'm not going to completely finish with it today. I'll be testing out some TEMU products. Alright, I think it's a perfect time to try it out. So these are the TEMU products. I never opened them before or used them before, so I'm gonna try today and see how the video goes, how long it's going to be. Alright, so I really want to open this one first. So this is a TEMU product that I never opened, still in the package. Alright, this is the think you can put paint here. Don't remember too long about it. The paintbrushes can go here. Can wash your paintbrushes here. I'm not sure what all of this is for, but it's a good look. I like it so far. It has an handle. It has a handle on it. It's good. So probably I could just put my watercolor paints here if I want to paint outside, or I can do like this too. So this is like a package within itself, so I could just bring this by itself, and or I can attach it like this and go outside to paint. So this is very cute. I like that. Now this one, I never open it. Dust is on it. I think now is the right time to open them and use them. So let me see this. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. TEMU has been asking for a review, but you know, I haven't used it, so I can't review it. So come on now. Oh, it's set up. So this thingamajig go on here. Thingamajig. What's this? I have to set up all of this. Oh man, I have to read the instruction, guys. Alright, so man, sad story. Something have to go in the bottle. No. So this kinda alright. This one kinda easy to set up. Wait. So twist on or not? Alright, I guess it just put like that. Alright, so what next? Oh Lord, instructions. Please no. Replace the bottle with clean. Don't bother. Spring. Oh man, they could have set up this a little something here. No man, TEMU. Sure man. Alright, focus. Alright, I did that already. Then okay. Number 2. Honestly guys, I can't bother. Alright, so this thing come here, so
Go through the seal. Every painting tells a story of the journey to your glory.
man, never know say so much work. I think I'm doing it right. I'm not sure. What is this screw for? Oh, probably to go in this. Alright, this is, I didn't know that there was a whole heap of setup going on here, so no. don't want to read any instruction. Sure. The brush rinser provides clean fresh water, blah 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 blah. Spills first, then press the button. It doesn't tell exactly how to set it up, you know, guys. Alright, let me check online, guys, and see. Because alright, guys, so I found a video demonstrating how to do it. Oh, so that line part should be under the border.
Fly with heart up to the sky. With each
Take time, lady. Alright.
can try.
Put the screw something there, so and push it in.
You and cry.
Push it in the hole like that.
Together we are art.
So what this? Oh, this way, so. Problem in the camp. Trouble in the camp. Let me see if I just that figure, cause in the figure. I don't understand. I guess this is pushing for. You never said that, you know. You never said that. Come on. So guys, this would have to be a second video, no, because it's already long. Alright guys, so she take it like that, right? That message she do. And then she push it in. But the thing is, it's slipping. How kind of contraption this one? Slipping. This no make proper, guys. I wouldn't recommend this. Alright, see, they look good now. It look good now. So now we're going to put the screw in. Right.
Together we are artwork.
And then now, jeez, please look at me if I make one different video, guys. 17 minutes. The devil. Alright, all the part this go now, cause this not stable. This is not stable. They just drop it on so and it's not stable. Alright, I like it though, I like it. I like it. I like it. But I have a feeling a lot of water can come out though. But I'm going to test it, guys. I'm going to test it. There probably might be a part 2, guys, because this video is already long. So I'm going to test it. So this is number 1, 2. Now this one I also got from TEMU. Soft. I like it. My. Yes, it's nice, guys. I wanted the one with the cup on it though, but I ordered the wrong thing. But it's fine, guys. It's fine. Alright, so I'm gonna test this one out, guys. So I'm gonna put away this one now and set up the station with these TEMU products. Little work area. Not sure if I might need this, but I'm going to set it up just the same. I'm going to put my paint over on this side. I'm going to put the water here. No. Yeah, I'm going to put the water here. I'm going to put my phone here. I'm gonna put this here for the demonstration, and then put it here after. Yes, so that is the setup. I'm gonna put my paints here for the palette. Yeah, and the journal is going to come here if I do get the chance to paint it. Yes, but I'm gonna start off with this first, so I'm gonna put this aside, and that would be the workstation, guys. Yes, so before I go, I'm gonna test out this for you guys. Alright, so I'm back. I'm gonna use the color red. You know, I should have used yellow. I'm gonna use yellow. Let me put the water in this and come back, guys. So right now, this, I don't know if I spin this should spin on. I don't know if it should spin on or what. It is not screwing on tight. Like, I don't know what is happening. Probably it wet up the place, you know. But it's not tight. Alright, guys. Let's see. Oh, I think this should be on it first, you know, guys. I think this should be on it first. And then I flip it over. I flip it over. Ooh, it really stopped. It stopped. I thought it was just going to overflow. Alright, guys, so let's see. I'm gonna put some of the yellow here because I'm going to use yellow today. Well, in a different video. I didn't know this would be so long, guys. And yes, this is TEMU paintbrushes, quality paintbrush from TEMU. Yes, my friend. Yes, so I'm gonna wet this, put it in the yellow. Okay, I'm going to wash it off. You guys seeing though? Yes, my friends, I'm wash it off. Right, and then I can drop it in this one if I want, and then I'm going to press this. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. I love it, guys. Hard to set up though, but I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, guys. So that is it for this video. I will make a next video with me painting the butterfly. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next one. Artwork fly. Alright, guys, so this is the aftermath. I don't know if you can see, but I accidentally shifted and all the water came running out, guys. Oh my god, I would have to get some napkin to clean it up. So guys, try to remember not to shift it. Wherever you put it, just leave it there and it will be good. Alright, so wherever you're going to put it, oh my, I can't move it, guys. So I definitely will have to put it in a different container to ensure that if I do shift it or anything like that, then the place won't get wet. So if you're going to purchase it, ensure that it's in a space where you know you don't want to wet up anything else. Alright, guys, bye. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.